What's the worst mistake you can make when selling your home? If you ever got your home ready to sell, you know that you need to do things to get it ready to sell, whether that's contractors, painters, doing repairs. All that stuff can add up and cost money, and I know what you're thinking, what are these items I can do myself and save a little money? Well, experts agree that one of the biggest mistakes people make is doing things on their own that they really aren't experienced enough to do. So today I want to talk about some projects better left to the experts. Drywall repair. If you have a room that needs to be painted, go for it. But if you have cracks in the drywall or dents from where doors have been slamming in over the years, it's better to hire a pro for that and then do the DIY paint job afterwards. Advanced electrical. While replacing a light fixture or ceiling fan can be a great do-it-yourself project, experts agree that once you get into the breaker box, that's where you should leave it to the experts. It's very easy to hurt yourself or cause a fire, especially if you're not dealing with a new house. The heating and air conditioning systems in your house are very complex, oftentimes connected to both electrical and gas. Doing something wrong here could blow the entire system, making the repair even more costly. When it comes to HVAC, proceed with caution and hire an expert. Plumbing. You know, some plumbing tasks might seem simple enough. Maybe snaking a toilet, a leak, or fixing a leaky toilet, snaking a drain. You know, those things might be easy enough. Maybe you could even replace a faucet. And replacing pipes, maybe they're clogged or backed up, might seem simple enough, but replacing those pipes, getting in there in close proximity to the garbage disposal, dishwasher, might end up a bigger project than you think it is, and it might be worth hiring a professional. Tree removal. You can be surprised how difficult it can be to actually get in and remove all the roots of a tree. Even a smaller tree takes special tools to cut it down, get everything out and get all those roots. And on a bigger tree, you certainly don't want to be the neighbor that had the tree fall through your neighbor's roof or onto someone's car. So when it comes to trees, proceed with caution and hire an expert if you don't have the experience and the tools to do it right. If you have any questions about projects you should do on your own versus hire a pro, or need a referral for a contractor, give me a call, John Fagan, at 408-718-0264. We'll see you on the next video.